Hello, friends. Welcome to Amjee's English World. I'm Alice, and I'm really happy you're joining us today.
And I'm Adam. This is your cozy corner of the internet, where English becomes simple, fun, and part of your everyday life.
Together, we learn through little moments, ordering food, asking for help, chatting with people, or just telling your story.
We teach with clear examples, friendly conversations, and short stories that help. English stick in your mind.
So you can speak English naturally and confidently. Welcome to Amjee's English World.
Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. Let's start learning, one story at a time.
Hello, beautiful learners. Welcome back to Amjee's English World. I'm Alice.
And I'm Adam. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Wherever you are in the world.
Today we're talking about morning routines, the little habits that help us start the day with peace, energy, and a smile.
And we'll learn vocabulary, real expressions, and some fun story moments too. Ready?
Let's begin. Adam, my mornings are very slow. I wake up like a sleepy cat.
Ha ha, and I wake up like an alarm clock. Exploded in my room.
Yesterday I woke up at 7 a.m. I stretched, I smiled, and I whispered, "Today will be a good day."
Yesterday, I woke up at 7 a.m. too. But I jumped out of bed and said, I'm late, I'm late, I'm late. Spoiler. I was not late.
You're always dramatic.
Hey, drama is my cardio.
Let's learn some useful morning routine words. Wake up, to open your eyes and stop sleeping. Example, I wake up at 7 a.m. Get up, to leave the bed. Example, I get up after 5 minutes. Brush my teeth, clean your teeth. Example, I brush my teeth every morning. Have breakfast, eat your morning meal. Example, I have breakfast with my family. Get ready, prepare for the day. Example, I get ready for school or work.
Repeat after me, nice and slow. I wake up at 7.
I brush my teeth.
I have breakfast.
I get ready for my day. My favorite part of the morning is drinking warm tea. It makes me calm, like a quiet sunrise.
My favorite part is listening to music while I get ready. It gives me energy, like sunshine inside my ears.
That's a very Adam-style sentence.
Thank you. I try.
Here are some real English expressions for mornings. Rise and shine. Wake up happily. I'm not a morning person. Mornings are difficult for me. Start the day on the right foot. Begin the day in a good way.
Example. I drink water in the morning to start the day on the right foot.
What time do you wake up?
And what is your favorite part of the morning?
Tell us in the comments. We love reading your answers.
Remember, small routines can make your day strong.
And learning English every morning, even just 5 minutes, helps you grow.
We believe in you.
Thank you for watching Amjee's English World. See you next time.